Chapter 77, Unlucky 7. I can feel something is unpleasant. I can feel something unpleasant. Because the seahorse is a dragon. Dragon, a kind of monster called as the lower rank dragon species. Although it's a lower rank, that's also one that's equal to the dragon species. The lower rank monster that belongs to the earth dragon. Will it become a fire dragon? The earth dragon exists, so the fire dragon might exist. It's not in this middle layer, right? Let's pray that it's not here. Well then, although my thoughts have gone into escapism feeling for a moment, let's think seriously on what to do about this problem in front of me. Elro Gena 7. Or Gena 7. Gena 7. Level 7. Status, HP 461 out of 461, MP 223 out of 223, SP 218 out of 218, yellow, 451 out of 466, red. Average offensive ability 368, average defensive ability 311, average magic ability 161, average resistance ability 158, average speed ability 155, failed to praise its status. Elro Gena 7, the lower rank monster who belongs to the dragon that inhabits the Elro Great Labyrinth middle layer. Omnivorous, and it can swallow anything in its big mouth, with its big mouth. That monster is swimming slowly in the magma. Even though it's called as the lower rank dragon, its appearance looks like a catfish. In addition, the 7 in the name doesn't suit it. It's no use even if I complain about this world's naming sense. Its characteristic is the big mouth like the catfish after all. I don't want to be swallowed by that, and if it's my size, it seems to be it seems to be able to swallow me completely. Having succeeded in appraising the status contributes a lot. The probability that the status appraisal succeeds is roughly once every 3 times. It's lucky that it succeeds by one time. Attacking the catfish without knowing its status is too dangerous. In this middle layer, most monsters are weak, but this catfish is way stronger than the others. If possible, I want to pass through it, but the catfish swimming near the path that I'm using. When thinking about the tendency up until now, the probability that it will attack is high. What should I do? No, I think I can run away with this speed if I'm thought of it, but it's troublesome if I chase after me with its excessively high red stamina gauge. Even though the yellow gauge is little, still it's a few times more than me. Above all, I can't see until its skill. If that catfish have SP consumption down at a high level, then I might not be able to run away from it. Well, I think that it doesn't have it. It's a little strong to fight. Then, as expected, should I run away? I shouldn't challenge the impossible. Although recently my condition is improving, being carried away at such a time will only experience pain. I have already learned my lesson. I must not get carried away, I must be modest. Thus, let's begin moving. I will escape with my power when I'm found. Then another catfish came with the bottom of the nearby magma. Aha! Oi! That's not what I said before. I'm at a pinch even though I never got carried away. The catfish mashes its eyes to me, and after it looked blankly for a moment, it opens its big mouth. Backstep, the catfish closes its mouth as the place where I was. The catfish goes up to the land sluggishly as it is. The guy, although I didn't notice it when it's in the magma, it has limbs. Besides, its whole body is covered with dragon-like scales. Indeed, the defensive ability is high. Let's escape. Ah! When I look at my escaping route, the catfish that I saw before crawled up the land. It's impossible to run because from my position I will get attacked on both sides. What should I do? If it's like this, then I will defeat the catfish in front of me immediately. Poison thread is wrapped around the catfish's body. Although it will burn at once, I just need the poison to enter it even a little. The thread that burns at once, just as I thought. In order to confirm the effect of the poison, I see the catfish's HP. It decreases a little. It looks like poison is effective. Then I must somehow administer poison. The catfish opens its mouth wide. It rushes as is. No! Scary! But I attract it to the very limit intentionally. When the big mouth reaches just in front of me, poison synthesis activate. I withdraw by a paper-thin difference. The catfish swallows the synthesized deadly spider poison instead of me. In an instant, the catfish's HP begins to decrease at an incredible rate. The speed of the decrease is incredible. Oh, is it really? Besides, the catfish writhes painfully. Oh, my poison has become this powerful. And the other one? When turning my gaze, another catfish feels a little frightened after looking at its comrade's disastrous scene. Oh, well, seeing your comrade to suffer this much, of course you will think that this is dangerous. I thought that the dragons didn't escape, but it was the seahorse only. The healthy catfish turned back and escape as it is. Seriously. At first, I'm the only one who thought of escaping, though. I never thought that the other side will escape. This, even if... isn't it okay even if I get carried away? Aren't I considerably strong? For the time being, I will kill the suffering catfish. I use poison synthesis towards the face of the catfish. The twitching catfish's movement stopped. Experience points reach a certain degree. Individual small poison terror tech level 6 has become level 7. Every basic ability rose. Level up bonus skill proficiency was acquired. Skill proficiency reached. Skill concentration level 9 has become concentration level 10. Conditions met. Skill thought acceleration level 1 was derived from skill concentration level 10. Skill proficiency reached. Skill evasion level 4 has become evasion level 5. Skill proficiency reached. Skill life level 7 has become life level 8. Skill points gained. Apparently concentration have reached the max level at the same time as level up. Yay, cool. Now she has thought acceleration, which makes her better at thinking. Which is good. Very good.